Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. One time during my 30-day retreat, no, there was this prayer period when I just couldn't really pray. Sabi ko sa aking sarili, parang walang nangyayari. No? And the dynamics of the 30-day retreat is that per day, you should pray at least 3 to 4 prayer periods with 45 minutes to 1 hour each. No? I think some of the religious here have already done their 30-day retreat. No? But there was this time, sabi ko, parang walang nangyayari. No? And also during that time, antok na antok ako. Gusto ko na lang matapos yung 1 oras para makabalik na ako sa aking kwarto at matulog. And then when I reported this to my spiritual director, who is a Jesuit, sabi ko, Father, you know, I have nothing to report to you. Sabi niya, bakit? Kasi during my prayer period, parang wala namang pumasok sa akin. Parang inintay ko lang matapos yung 1 oras. Pakiramdam ko, Father, hindi ako nagdasal. And you know, the answer of my spiritual director to me was, tinanong niya ako, tinapos mo ba yung 1 oras? Sabi ko, opo, Pads. I finished the entire hour. And sabi niya sa akin, you know, that already is a prayer. The moment you stayed in silence, even if there were so many distractions around you, that itself is your prayer. Brothers and sisters, in our gospel today, sabi po ng angel kay Saint Joseph, Joseph, son of David, do not be afraid to take Mary, your wife, into your home. Jose, huwag kang matakot na kunin si Maria bilang iyong asawa. And that time siguro, gulong-gulo ang isip ni San Jose. Nabuntis ang kanyang asawa. Sino ang ama? Hindi naman siya. And that time, he really wanted to divorce Mary quietly. But you see, Joseph remained even if things were not clear. Joseph stayed even if it was difficult and dark for him. He remained even if it meant giving up Mary, the love of his life, because there was a greater plan for both of them. Nanatili si Jose sa kabila ng masalimuot na mga pangyayari, kahit nagugulumihanan siya, kahit litong-lito na siya. And so, my dear friends, whenever we are afraid, the Lord will always send His angels to us para sabihin sa atin, stay, relax ka lang, inhale, exhale, hinga, nandito ako, huwag kang mag-alala. And what a beautiful reminder for us as Christmas approaches. Huwag tayong matakot. Kung wala pa tayong pang-exchange gift, huwag kang mag-alala. Kung wala ka pang menu at wala pang budget sa Noche Buena, kung hindi ka sure kung makakauwi ba ang iyong minamahal, kung may mga plano ka na hindi umayon sa iyong gusto, kung may sakit kang dinaramdam, at kung may hinihingi ka sa Diyos na hindi pa dumadating, huwag tayong matakot. Because in the end, the most important thing is like Joseph, we know how to stay. We know how to remain with God. And then, the surprises of God will follow. Amen.